Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to create a password visibility toggle button. So if I enter anything and I click the button, it will show the password. If I click it again, it will hide it. So first of all, you can see I have a input field that will hold our password, and I have a button that will toggle visibility. First, what you want to do is give this an ID of password. Then we need to reference this ID in our script file. First, you need to make sure that you are connected. You have connected your script file with HTML. What you want to do is come to JavaScript file and create a function. Let's name it toggle password. Alright. Then what you want to do is create a variable, name it password, make it equal to document.get element by id of type password. Now we have referenced our input field of type password with this variable. Now we need to check if its type is password or not. What you do is you say if password dot type is equal to password, meaning if the type is equal to password, the text that we enter will be hidden. We need to change it to text so we can show it. So if it is equal to password, what you do is you say password dot type equals text, and the type will be changed and text will be visible. And you say else password dot type equals password. This means if the text is already equal to password, then is already equal to text, or it is visible, then we change it back to password. Now we need to call this function with our button, so you can use the on click method and then write your function name. Now if I open this, let's say I enter anything and I click the button, you can see it shows. If I click it again, it will hide it. Now thanks for watching. That will be it for today, and subscribe for more.